Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Halo Blaze Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the half double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the sunflare stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Then make 1 double crochet into that same chain with that half double you had just made. Now we're going to get into our sequence for this row. Skip 1 chain, then into this next one make a half double and double crochet all into the same chain. And that's going to be our sequence. Skip 1 chain into this next one, half double and a double. Skip 1 chain into this next one, half double and a double. Skip 1 chain into this next one, half double and a double into the same chain. Skip 1 chain into this next one, half double crochet and a double crochet. So that's how things are looking so far. You're going to continue to repeat this sequence by skipping 1 chain and then into the next chain making a half double and double crochet into that same chain together until you reach the end of this row. So once you get to the end of this row, you're going to have 3 chains left. You're going to skip 1 like we had been doing. Into this next one, make a half double crochet by itself. Then in the last one, make a double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a half double crochet stitch. Into the first stitch of this row, make a double crochet. So the sequence for this row is going to be similar to our last row where we made that half double crochet and then double crochet. It's just going to be worked into stitches instead of chains. So we're going to skip 1 stitch into this next one, half double crochet, and then a double crochet all into that same stitch together. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, half double, and a double in the same stitch together. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, half double crochet, and double crochet in the same stitch together. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, half double crochet, and then a double crochet all into the same stitch together. That's how things are looking. So same thing as our last row, just worked into stitches instead of chains. So you're now going to repeat this sequence. You're going to skip 1 stitch into the next one. You're going to work a half double and a double crochet all into that same stitch together. You're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of this row. Once you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 stitches left. Just like in our first row, we had 3 chains. We're going to do the exact same thing. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, make a half double crochet. Then into the last stitch of this row, make a double crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 92 rows total for a throw size. I tend to stick around 55 inches by 60 inches for a throw sized blanket. And that is going to be how to make my Halo Blaze Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.